Hi, this is Terrence Farrell, and for my web tool review presentation, I've chosen to do Web Developer Toolbar. It's an add-on for the Firefox and Google Chrome internet browsers. During this video, I will show you where to go to download the add-on for Firefox, and then I'll give you some basic information and then demonstrate some of the features of the tool. To download the toolbar, first head over to the Firefox homepage. Click on Add-ons on the navigation bar, then click Firefox Add-ons. And what you want to do is type Web Developer first in the search. And then in your search results, find the Web Developer add-on, click Add to Firefox. It'll download, and once it's finished downloading, click Install Now. And then once you install, you'll have to restart Firefox in order for it to start. And once you restart Firefox, the Web Developer add-on will show up in your toolbar. There are two main reasons why I like to use the Web Developer add-on. The first is that it can be used as an editor. You can edit your web pages right in the internet browser. I opened up my interactive resume here. You can do your basic view source, and then you get the source for the entire page. You can also view your style sheets. By going to view style information, you can view the style for just a specific element on your page. There would be a link, the main, a list item, paragraph. To close that out, just select View Style Information again. You can also edit your style sheets. Select Edit CSS. You can edit right in your browser. Change colors. That looks like. You can save it. Click on this file icon, save it straight to your C drive, wherever you want to keep it. And then you can undo if you'd like. Close that out. Just again, select Edit CSS. The other reason I like using the web developer is, like most other web designers and developers, I get ideas and inspiration from other websites. And I'm just going to use the Florida State University website as an example here. If you're just using a regular internet browser, you can view the page source, of course. And that's just going to give you your basic HTML code. Using the toolbar, you can also find out information about sites' images. Display the alt attributes, the size of the picture, the file size, paths of all images. And to get rid of them, you just have to click on them again. Under the information button, you can view JavaScript if there's any JavaScript on the page. Also display the div order, the entire page. Display the ID and class for the style sheets. This way, if you have your style sheets opened in the editor, you can figure out which style sheet goes with which element. You can also view color information for the page. It'll give you a listing of each color that's used. And what I think is the most important tools is the validation tools under the Tools button. You can validate your CSS. It's like the W3C site. And FSU website validates. Try mine. No errors. Also validate your HTML. More errors. There's also a way under Tools to validate whether you are compliant with the 508 accessibility and the Web Accessibility Initiative. And under Options, there is a way for you to change the default for the toolbar. So in conclusion, I highly recommend the Web Developer Toolbar. It's great for editing your HTML and CSS right in an internet browser. You get instant feedback. You can see how it looks as you're doing the editing. This is Terrence Farrell. Thank you for listening.